Welcome to the Southern California Metroplex Community Engagement Video Series. The Southern California airspace is very busy and complex, with thousands of flights flown daily, where aircraft all need to safely depart and arrive to and from multiple airports. This video will show examples of two improvements for arrivals into Southern California. The first shows how procedures flying to different airports can operate more independently. The second improvement shows how arrival procedures are optimized to more safely and efficiently land at an airport. Currently, aircraft landing at Burbank, LAX, John Wayne, and other airports all share a single corridor when arriving from the north. This is due to ground-based navigational aids requiring aircraft landing at different airports to use the same ground-based guidance. This can result in delays and increase the need for more controller interaction to maintain the required separation and proper spacing. The new next-gen procedures for Burbank, LAX, and John Wayne are separate routes that fly along waypoints that are satellite-based and do not require ground-based navigation aids. These new satellite-based procedures can be both horizontally and vertically separated from each other, allowing controllers to efficiently space aircraft into each airport independently. The new procedure shown for LAX is called the Ironman. This new procedure has been optimized to maintain safety and improve efficiency. New procedures like the Ironman are referred to as an optimized profile descent, or OPD. A traditional descent is like walking down a flight of stairs. Based on air traffic controller instructions, the pilot descends and applies speed brakes, then levels off and powers the engines up, then descends and applies speed brakes again. The cycle repeats itself until the plane is on its final approach to an airport. By contrast, an optimized profile descent, or OPD, has built-in speed and altitude requirements at various points on the route. This information is programmed into an airplane's flight computer and allows them to essentially glide down to an airport on idle power, and controllers don't have to issue instructions after clearing the plane to begin its descent. An OPD and optimized climb profile are much more efficient than traditional descents and climbs, and they are key benefits that we're seeing today from our use of satellite-based routes. Airplanes flying OPDs versus a traditional descent generate less noise and emit less pollution because their engines are near idle and speed brake use is minimized. With the new optimized route, the design team created altitude windows at each procedure's waypoint. The altitude window eliminates the need for air traffic controllers to assign altitude restrictions and level-offs to arrivals and to continually descend at near idle thrust. The altitude windows were also designed, along with the new departure routes, to provide for procedural separation between the departing aircraft crossing to the north. When the FAA analyzed safety data, it was clear that the interactions between LAX arrivals and LAX departures routed to the north were generating an excessive amount of traffic alert and collision avoidance system, or TCAS warnings, for aircraft on these routes, which are designed to be reduced with the new procedures. The procedure includes the new Cliffy waypoint that is located very close to the Santa Monica Airport and allows the procedure to remain within historical tracks over Santa Monica. The assigned altitude over Santa Monica is currently 7,000 feet, with a new procedure allowing aircraft to operate at up to 8,000 feet. A new waypoint was established east of Culver City called Dodger with an altitude restriction of 6,000 feet. There are currently no altitude restrictions east of Santa Monica or over Culver City. The ILS and visual approaches can still be utilized based on traffic and weather. Aircraft assigned these existing approaches could continue to fly the same ground tracks as they do today. The new RNP approach is expected to provide more predictable and repeatable traffic flows into LAX. Aircraft flying the new RNP will turn back towards the airport west of the 710 freeway, reducing the times extended downwinds and early turns occur, but not eliminating them. Conditions surrounding the airport, including aircraft performance, weather, and traffic volume, will continue to determine control actions for separating aircraft and spacing to the airport. The more stable approach path into LAX provided by the new RNP has the potential to reduce the number of missed approaches, enhancing safety. For more information and additional animations on the Southern California Metroplex, please visit our website,